Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we have the Chefman 6-in-1 espresso machine. This one is very powerful with a 15 bar pump. Now you can brew like a barista. So here's our espresso machine. This one has a 15 bar pump for stronger espresso, brews single or double shots of espresso, integrated froth and foam function. You can create cafe quality cappuccinos and lattes. So right here it says brew like a barista. Is this one touch. XL removable 1.8 liter water reservoir. Convenient internal cleaning function. So it has all the little details here on the sign. So first off, you have your owner's manual. This is the espresso machine quick start guide. This just tells you what each little thing is for. You've got your reservoir, your main unit, your milk frother, your spoons. You could go 1 cup, 2 cup. So right here is your single, double espresso, cappuccino, single or double, latte, single or double. You've got the froth function. And this one is the user guide. So this just tells you what you can do, how to put the froth bucket together, safety instructions, the contents. So now let's get it out of the package. So the accessories includes a removable 1.8 liter water reservoir, removable 0.5 liter milk reservoir. You get a ground measuring scoop and tapper. You get a shot basket, removable drip tray, reversible metal coaster. So these are your ground measuring scoop and tapper. So when you put your coffee in here, you got the scoop on this side right here, and then you got your tapper at the bottom to tap it in. You get 2 of those. You've got one for 1 cup, you got one for 2 cups. This is the 2 cup one, and the other one is for the 1 cup. So with this machine, you can transform your kitchen into a coffee house. You could brew coffee quality cappuccinos like the ones that taste like Starbucks, lattes and espresso beverages at the touch of just a button. Whether you prefer a single or double shot, this is all-in-one machine, has your caffeine fixed covered. So here is your milk reservoir. So what I do with this, I fill this up, and when I'm done brewing my coffee, I just take this out off the machine and just stick it in my refrigerator. That way the milk don't go bad. And this just gives you little instructions of how to put it on. So we're just going to remove this little cup. So right here at the top, you got regular foam and you've got extra foam at the top. So we're just going to do regular. Back here is your 1.8 liter water reservoir, so you don't have to keep filling it up. And this just goes in the back so it can trickle some water down for your cappuccinos, coffee, or lattes. And then you just put it in the back right here. It just pops in just like that. And then you've got your power button down here at the back. So we're just going to turn it around. This is what it looks like from the front angle. So you have your removable tray. So if you use short cups, you can leave this metal tray in. If you have longer cups, you just remove that metal tray. See, it says short and long. You just stick your finger here and remove it for your longer cups. And then you just put it back in, just like this. And then back to your short cups, you just put that metal tray back on, and that's where you'll put your milk reservoir. So here's our scooper. We're going to go ahead and put our coffee in. Once we put it in, you just move it to your right into the lock position. And now it's locked. And on the other side is the unlock. So now we're going to remove that and add some coffee in this. This is the 2 cup, which goes great if you're actually using double shots. So that's what it looks like. And on the side right here, I'm going to go ahead and put the milk frother in. We'll just remove this little plastic. And this little metal spot right here, that make sure it goes up in the front where that little cutout is, because that's where it's going to dispense your froth into your cappuccino, latte, or espresso. So this little tube right here will connect into your machine. And there's a little handle to dispense the froth. So you got to push down and push back. Just like that. And it just slides right up in there. Let's move it sideways. And this right here, you can see, you got to move it up. And then when you put your cup in there, you set it to where it can dispense the froth. So now that I got the water reservoir filled to the top, now I got to make my way to the milk. You got to push down and pull out to get this removed. You have a minimum and you have a max. So I'm going to fill it up to the max. That's the minimum, and the max is right up here at the top, right there. And like I said, once you're done with that, I would recommend putting this in the refrigerator so your milk don't go bad. So I'm going to fill this all the way up to the max, which is 500. And then just put the top back on, push down and push back, and it'll just slide right up in there. So now we're going to put our coffee mixture in here, or my cappuccino. I love my cappuccino, so I'm just going to go ahead and pat this down. Just like that. Move it over to the right side to lock it in place. We'll turn it on. And you can see there's a single and a double shot of the cappuccino. I put my cup in here. Word of advice, make sure you have the milk dispenser out first or you'll hit your cup just like this. So just move it out a little bit to the side. Put your cup there. And then it'll start dispensing the milk. So tap on whichever you like, your espresso, cappuccino, or latte. I like cappuccino. I always like a double shot. Once you click on that, it'll start kicking out the froth. And once it starts frothing, I will let you hear the volume because it's not really loud at all. Now when it brews the coffee or the cappuccino, it's a lot quieter than this. This seems a lot louder because of the speaker of my camera, but it is not that loud or annoying. So you got your espresso, cappuccino, latte, froth. So I'm going to do another shot of froth into my cappuccino because I do like the froth. And then you just tap it one more time and it will turn off. So this is the Chefman 6-in-1 espresso machine. This one does have a powerful 15 bar pump, so you can brew single or double shots. I would definitely check this one out. This one is a definite must-have machine.